Okay, so this is the ESOL Skills for Life Level 1 assignment, Travel and Transport paper. It's going to be activity 3. And the name of the candidates, we have Agnieszka Zawierec, and her City and Guilds enrolment number is SGG2658. And Anna Bienia, her number is XHV1041. My name is Simon Greenhalgh, I'm the assessor, and today's date is the 19th of December 2018. So this activity will be a discussion, and you're going to take part in a discussion about travel and transport. And I want you to talk about your experiences of travelling in the UK, your opinion about the best way to travel, the advantages and the disadvantages of travelling in the UK, and also talk about places you would like to visit as well. So yes, so experiences of travelling in the UK. Anna, what are your experiences of travelling in the UK?
I travelled by bus, by train, and also by car. The cheapest way is car, and the most expensive travel in UK is train.
Train?
Yes.
I might not disagree with that.
I suppose it depends where you're going, doesn't it, really, or how far
Yes.
you're travelling, doesn't it, really?
For example, to London, sometimes you must spend £100.
But sometimes if you looking online after the ticket, you can grab some bargains like fast trains, like the Virgin train. Like my husband last week, he went, but he booked the ticket to London and he only spent £25. Then a couple of days after, the ticket's been really expensive, more than £100. Then it depends. If you're looking after bargain, yes, but if you have to go straight away, of course you're gonna pay more.
Mm-hmm.
And the journey takes. It's shorter way, of course, traveling by the train, because it only takes 2.5 hours, not like by the car, because usually it's like 5 to 6 hours plus the traffic as well, because around London it's like massive traffic.
Mm-hmm.
I know, because we stuck for like 6 hours once, then it was like horrendous journey.
Okay, what are your opinion about the best way to travel in UK?
My opinion.
Yes.
I think the best way to travel is by train. It depends, of course, where you're going. If you're going around the UK, I will say the train. Of course, there are always some delays. There are some the trains are crowded as well. There are no places in the trains as well. But usually, I think the train is the fastest way to get wherever you need to go. By car, sometimes it's expensive, sometimes it's not. It depends where you're going. But I will say the train is the fastest and the cheapest way to go.
I have another opinion. I think that the cheapest way is car.
I disagree, but okay.
It's my opinion.
Anna, what do you think? What are the disadvantages of traveling in UK?
I think that these advantages are buses, because sometimes you must wait a long time. Sometimes also buses are delayed. Mhm. That's it.
I agree with that.
Mm.
It's happened, yes.
Agnieszka, what are your advantages or traveling in the UK?
If I'm gonna say train, I think I'm gonna repeat it myself, but the train is one of the best way to travel. But if I will be traveling outside UK, not only in UK, I think the best way is to travel by air, because it's faster. Sometimes you can get really cheap tickets as well if there are any promotions. Of course, if it's not like school holidays, because the prices of the tickets are really horrendous. But you know, in usual normal days, it's just you can even travel by only paying like £5 or £10. The other day I was reading an article about a girl. She bought a ticket to Lanzarote in Spain, and she only paid £2.50 for a return ticket. And it was like, I think 2 or 3 months ago. That's I've been shocked. I even saw the picture when she was standing in the airport, and it says, and there was the sign Lanzarote. That's why she wasn't faking it. But I couldn't believe that only for £2.50 you can buy return ticket to Lanzarote and return. But you know, if I had chance like that, I will be go as well. But usually that doesn't happen.
It's more expensive to buy a bottle of water at the airport, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, or newspaper.
Or newspaper.
Yeah.
A sandwich, yeah.
Yeah. As I said, I couldn't believe it when I saw it, just £2.50 for a return ticket. I don't know how it is possible and how the airline doing money of it. It's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Do you know where she found that deal?
I think because sometimes there is the group on Facebook. It's like good deals. It's just people basically going online and just adding posts like, oh, I've been lucky. I just bought this for like less than £5, and it was like like a mobile phone or something. Or maybe not for £5, but it was much cheaper. And just people adding new posts. And this girl, someone just posted, and she just went online on that website and she just bought the tickets. That's why I was like amazed. And I've been looking after on this website as well, but I couldn't find any deal like that. But I was like, wow, amazed, lucky she.
It's
But
amazing.
if she paid £2.50 for the return tickets, the question is how much she paid for the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe tenner,
Yeah.
or maybe much more. Yeah, but it was I couldn't believe it.
When we move to holidays, Anna, which places would you like to see
On holidays
on holidays or in UK?
in UK, I would like to see London, Liverpool, and York.
Have you ever been to London?
No.
Oh, you need to go. It's
No,
lovely.
yet.
It's crowded, but at the
I
weekends,
want to.
in my opinion,
Very much.
it's like dead down because there is not many people when I've been. But you know, it's really nice, especially now in winter time and in Christmas time. All the lights, all the
It's so
stuff, the
nice.
Christmas carols. I think it's
Special time.
Yeah, like Christmas markets and all that. That would be
In London, it's also Christmas market.
probably. I think in all big towns there is Christmas market, even like in small villages. Yeah, but yeah. Oh, you have to go. I never been to New York, but it's on my bucket list. I have to go to London, to New York, and I need to see Big Apple, and how does it call the park? Oh, I forgot. Central Park as well. Yeah, I want to go and I want to visit. Yeah, then we have something in common. Maybe we will go together.
Also, Anna, you mentioned about that you consider not only UK visits, so for instance, holiday, what country or city?
abroad.
Yeah.
I would like to visit Spain second time because first time was very nice.
Where have you been
Um,
in Spain? Where did you go?
I think
uh,
Costa Brava.
Costa Brava.
Yes,
Mhm.
Costa. Yes, it was nice.
Was it warm? Was it was it summertime or was it like winter time?
It was September. That
Oh, then probably warm.
temperature was about 20 degree, something like this. That
In
every
September,
day was
really?
good,
That's
and
unusual.
one day was cold.
I was
But
thinking
maybe next time we choose June, for example.
Wow.
Good.
Spain is nice.
Well, thank you. That's the end of the of activity 3, the speaking and listening task. Thank you very much, everybody.